Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having an amazing day today. Now I am just here to just do a quick video on our tree removal. Now if you saw in our previous video, you know that we were saving and working extra jobs, or I was working extra jobs to fund this tree removal. So we had two estimates. The first estimate was $850. And we thought that was extremely expensive. So we decided not to do it. And then the day of the tree removal for my neighbor, my husband went over and he spoke with the owner again, and he told us that he would go ahead and cut down the tree for $650, as well as trim up some of the trees, or cut down a couple of branches. So with us holding off and not going with the first, you know, bill or estimate that was given, we were able to save some money. So instead of paying $850, we paid $650. Now that is a lot of money to save, especially when Christmas is around the corner. Remember, we had this done yesterday, which was December 2nd. So again, you can pay your bills, save money to the side for large purchases, and still continue to be successful at baby step 2. Well, that's just our story, and I'll go ahead and leave footage of our tree being removed from our yard. So thanks again for watching Delisa's Life, and please like, comment, subscribe. We respond to all comments that we receive. Thanks again for watching our channel.